Today we are going to design a full logo design presentation from scratch, so let's get started. What's going on, guys? It's Sava from Sava Designs, and today we are going to design a full logo design presentation step by step in Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to follow, open your Illustrator and let's get started. Okay guys, here we are into Illustrator and we are going to create a presentation for the company called SmartLink. And this is the start of the presentation. We have our isolated logo, and I love to add concept just for the client to know what is all about, because we have letter S for smart. This is the first letter of the word smart, and we have the second word that is link, and we have two links attached to each other and they represent connection and stuff like that. So I created this little guide like concept that is letter S plus chain links. And this is the first step. We need to create isolated logo with concept explained. Okay. Second thing, we are going to create a black and white version of this logo because it's really important for the logo to work on black and white. So I'm gonna resize this and set to be black, full black. Okay. And I will use this rectangle to cover the whole. Okay, and now I'm gonna split it on half to be the half of this second artboard, and it can be a little bit not just on the middle of the artboard, but a little bit on the right. Okay, and now we are going to set this one to be white. Let's say we want to be first white. Okay, and we need to arrange this to be on the back. Okay, and now we will put it here in the top left corner. Okay, and now select this, copy and drag it down. Delete this. No, we need to select this color. Okay, it's not pure white, it's F2, 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 F2 is color mode. Okay, because I don't like to use pure black and pure white like 0, 0, 0, 0 and F, 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 because I don't know, it's not appealing for our eyes. Okay, and now we are going to create two rectangles here. Okay, this one will be black and this one will be white. Okay, now I'm gonna ungroup this and I will pick up just an icon. If you don't see these pink lines, go to View, Smart Guides. Control plus U is a shortcut for these smart guides. It will be a lot easier for you to work with these smart guides. Okay, this will be a little bit bigger, and we are going to copy this and to put it down here to be white. Okay, and this is the second thing. We have our black and white version. This is really important because every logo needs to work in black and white, and if it's working black and white, then it means that it can work in every color. So we are going to create a next thing, and the next thing is a different color variation, because we have three colors here. We have this light blue, we have this black color, and we have this white color. Okay, and now we have to create these options. Okay, first option is I'm going to create, for example, we can leave this background to be black, and now I'm gonna ungroup this. No, I'm gonna select this eye, this top of the eye and the icon, and I'm gonna make it blue, sorry. Okay, and now we have our first color combination. For the second color combination, we are going to create the same like this. Okay, same like this, but we have the black letters and the white background. And here we can go with a blue color. Okay, no, we can go with a blue background and the white icon. Okay, and we are going to copy all this here and to put it down, because we want to create another color combination, and it will be a blue background. Okay, blue background, and this will be dark, and this will be white. Okay, but I don't like this dark because it's not really eye pleasing. We will leave it like that. And for this we have here black, white, blue, white, blue, and here we need to go with a black background, and we can set the icon to be blue. And that's it. This is the third step, and we have our color combinations. And now I want to set a grid, like to show the client how it's perfect. It needs to be perfect. So let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, I will pick my line segment tool and just draw a line on the top of the icon here, and I will set it to be black. Okay, and I will center it. No, I will not. And I will copy this line and put it right here, and I will copy this line, put it like right here, and another one, put it like here. And I would like to have these two vertical lines. That's it. Okay, we need to align this line with these lines with our logo. Oh, we don't have our eye. Haha. Let me fix this. I will just put it down. That's it. Okay, we have our lines. We need to align it to our logo. And also this line, I'm gonna group it, and I'm gonna group our logo, and I will select these horizontal lines, and just I'm going to group it. Okay, and this I will move it here, and here I will create with a rectangle tool. I will create these small rectangles in the corners of our little grid. That's it. That's it. So we need everything to be object, not strokes. So select every line and go to object, expand, and hit OK. Okay, that's it. And we are going to put down opacity to, let's say 56. I think it's okay to be 56. Maybe 50. Yeah, it's cool. And also these 4 rectangles, I would love to be like also 50. That's it. And we are going to create the same grid for this icon. Okay, so I will pick a line segment tool, and I will choose this color, black color, and copy it for this. And again, a line segment tool. Everything needs to be perfect. Okay, and also we can set it here and here, and also these two to be here. Okay, that's it. This line is not perfect. I'm gonna put it down a bit. And once again, because this will show the client that every single thing is the same weight and the same size, and everything is aligned perfectly. So it will be really great for the client to know about that. We're gonna use the same size of these rectangles. Also group this, go to object, expand, okay, but this time I want those lines to be white. And then I'm gonna put down opacity for 50%, that's okay. It doesn't need to be exactly 50%. You can see what works perfect for you, for your style, but it's kind of okay for me that I will put it on 50%. Okay, and that's it. And now I will put this a little bit down, and now I'm going to use this. Okay, and this will be white. Okay, and also this logo needs to be black because we are going to put it in the white background, so it needs to be visible. Okay, that's it. And also this one, we will put it just in the center. Okay, I want this logo to be white as well. And maybe we can put down opacity for like 70% or maybe 60. Let's see. Yeah, this looks better. And here also I will put down opacity for 60 for this full logo lockup. Let me see. Okay, and now we have our grid system, and that's it. Okay, we have our isolated logo with this concept explained. We have black and white. We have different color variations. We have our grid, and now we can create a colors, because this is also really important for the clients to know which color codes are you use, because maybe they will continue to use this color on other stuff to use their brand colors. So we have 3 colors. I will set here these 3 little rectangles, and this one will be blue, this one will be white, but not clear white, but this white, and this one will be black. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on blue, and I'm gonna click here fill, and I will see what is the color code for this color. So it's 00B0FC, and I'm going to go to right click and copy. Okay, I'm going to create new type, and I will just paste this, and I'm going to change the font to Montserrat Bold, not that big. For this I will use black color, maybe white. Yes, white. Okay, then I'm going to copy this to change color to black, and I will click on this white rectangle, same. I will go to fill, and I will have a look what is the color code for this color. I will copy it, and I will paste it here. Okay, and same for third color. I don't like third color to be here, because we already have black background above it. It will not be visible that much, so it's smarter if we put it like this. Okay, and now for the third color, the same process. Click on the rectangle, go to fill, and we will see that this color code is 283237. Control plus C to copy, hit OK, double click on this, Control V for paste, and that's it. We have our color codes. Go to object, expand, OK, because we don't want to use the font on strokes. We want everything to be outlined. OK, and now go to align to selection and select these 2 objects, rectangle and the font color, and go to horizontal align in center and vertical align center, and group it. Same for this, and group it, and same for this, and group it, and then pick up all those three and align it vertically. Okay, and here pick up this one, align to artboard, and go to horizontal alignment. This one will be vertical alignment to match this edge, and this will be center alignment, and that's it. Okay, next thing that we are going to create, we need to show which font we are using for this project. So we need a new rectangle. It will be a little bit bigger, not that much, and it will be white. Okay, and now for this font I'm using a Montserrat bold, but we'll type it Montserrat. Okay, because mean nothing if you type Montserrat bold or anything. If they are going to use Montserrat font, they are going to use the whole family, so only Montserrat. If you type only Montserrat, it's okay. And now I want to show every character from the Montserrat font. So let's say first for the capital, for the all letters, but all big capital letters. So D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and we are going to leave it in the like this, and also we are going to repeat this but for small letters. Okay, delete A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, that's it. And also we need to have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0, because we don't need to put 10 because we already have 1 here. Okay, and select all of these, go to align and go to here vertical distribute space, but let me see, align to selection, and here to have the same gap between all these characters. Okay, object, expand, and we are going to select with our align segment tool a little vertical line to separate the name and the characters. Also object, expand. Okay, and we are going to align all of this. Oh, okay, I forgot to expand this Montserrat font. Okay, this will be on the center, maybe a little bit here. Align these two, but align to selection. That's it. And we are going to align all of this to artboard. We have our font. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you can try to match this to be symmetrical. Okay, and now we have our fonts. Now it's the time for scalarity. This is really important for the client because it needs to work in different sizes. So we are going to show him that this logo is scalable. Okay, so I'm going to pick a blue color for this one, and I'm going to create, maybe we can set this to be black just to separate this white from this artboard. Okay, and resize it to be bigger. Okay, then duplicate and resize it, scale it down, then duplicate once again and scale it down even more. Okay, and now that's it. We have our scalability. This will show the client that this logo is scalable and it's ready to use in every size. that's it. And now it's time to create our mockups. I've already created some mockups because I didn't want to take your time for watching me how I create mockups. I will leave this for some another episode, but we need to have first a standards mockups. So let me choose from here, place, smart link, presentation, smart link, where is it? Oh, okay. And we have our standard mockups. This is just for some A4 paper and some notebook and some color, and this pattern in the background in lower opacity, it kind of cool. Okay, and I'm gonna scale it down and put it here, and voila, we have our standard mockups. Okay, now we need to have big size mockups and small size mockups, and now I'm going to place a big size mockups. Okay, and for big size mockup I choose this billboard. Okay, it needs to be a bit bigger, and maybe it can be. What do you think? Should I leave this on the blue background? Let's leave it for now to be on a blue background. And now we have to put our small sizes mockups. I already have this mask and this phone. Okay, mask, phone. Okay, phone is a bit bigger. We need to rescale it down to put it here, and this time we will choose white background. Okay, we have the mask, we have the phone, it can be resized it a little bit down, and that's it. And what we need to do, because we have now these two background, but it's kind of boring, like one color here blue and here white, we can create this pattern to be here as well. So what I'm going to do is I will pick one icon, let's say black, because we need a black icon, and I will rescale it a little bit down. Okay, Control D, yes, that's it. And now we will put it, this one here. Okay, Control G for group, and now we will put this down once again. Okay, and voila, we have our pattern. It's not necessary, but it's kind of better, it will be better. And I will arrange it to be on the back, and also I will arrange these two backgrounds to be on the back, and this to be opacity for like really low, and we will delete these unnecessary parts. Okay, maybe this can be even more here. Okay, I will not delete this because when we set the artboard from here to here, this will not be visible in our presentations. So where is our phone? Did I delete a phone? Okay, we will place it once again. I accidentally delete the phone mockup. Okay. And we will place it here. And that's it, we have our mockups. And for the final step, we are going to create isolated logo once again, but this time not on the blank background. I will insert here this stock photo from pexels.com. It's a free site that you can download high resolution stock photos. I have choose this one. If you have some logo for the restaurant, you can pick restaurant mockups and restaurant pictures. It needs to be same topic for that is your logo, because it doesn't make sense if I have this logo on cup of coffee or something like so. It needs to be appropriate mockups and appropriate pictures. Okay, I have one blue rectangle here, and I will put down opacity for, let's say, 54%, and I'm going to duplicate this logo from the beginning and set here in the center, and I will choose white color for this and arrange it to be on the front. Okay, and maybe we can put down a little bit opacity just to be a little bit transparent, not too much. And final thing is thank you, like, and it's end of presentation. I will choose Montserrat regular, and it's kind of cool to say thank you for spending time to watch my presentation, because I have put a lot of effort to make it, so thank you. It's kind of okay. Again, it's not necessary, but I like to say thank you and at the end. Okay, and we will pick this line to be here. This is just for an alignment, it's not necessary once again, but I like to have this. And this will be white as well, of course. Smart link. And that's it. We have our presentation. Okay, once again, we have a logo on isolated logo on a white background with concept explanation. We have black and white logo because it's important for the logo to work in black and white. It means that it can work in every color, and it means it's usable. We need another different color combinations. We have our grid system to show the client that everything is aligned perfectly. We have our colors. It's useful for the client if they are going to use these colors and also these fonts somewhere else. We have scalability. It will show that the logo can work on a different sizes. We have our standard mockups. We have our big mockups. We have our small mockups, and we have isolated logo with thank you. Okay, and the last thing is pick up your artboard tool and resize this artboard to be, where is our ending, to be here, and that's it. We are going to create, go to File, Export for screens, Presentation in PDF, and export. We are done. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, leave a like and comment below your opinion, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and see you in the next video. Ciao.